In this example, I'm going to replace the shirt, the black color shirt, with a yellow color pattern as I shown in the previous example or previous tutorial. So we can import this image. Then we already saved the pattern that let me show you that. Just go to the blending options or layer options, then pattern overlay, then this one. I'm going to replace the pattern to the shirt. So what we want to do is either we can select the shirt using the quick selection tool, or we can just go to select, then color range to select the shirt, just like this. But this is the way, it's pretty easy to do, but we can do it manually by using the quick selection tool, because it's really easy to select the quick selection tool, then select the shirt. So I just selected the shirt including the watches. So what we want to do next is we want to make this as a new copy. Then just right click, then make, either we can use this a cut, or we can just do with a copy. So we made a copy of the shirt and watch. So what we want to do next is we can just select the layer or the copy layer, then hold Control to make a selection. Then either we can just select the adjustment layer and we can go to the pattern, or otherwise we can manually move to the pattern overlay settings and we can select the pattern. It's already selected. We can change into something new, or yellow. We are planning to replace this one. Then we can scale it, this shirt. Okay, that's really cool. And also we can change the blending mode to multiply or overlay or soft light to make it more, to highlight the background colors, or just we can go to the normal to make this default. So this is a use of, look at that, it's the use of pattern overlay effect.